Hey guys, good morning. This is Joey at Truck Market down in Memphis. I've got a 2016 Pete 389 factory built glider kit, fresh out of detail this morning. Gonna do a full walk around for you. Start out underneath the hood, do a full walk around, finish up on the inside. This was built with a pre-emission 12.7 liter Detroit, 13 speed. And it's got about 850 on the clock, less than 2 years on the overhaul. It does have a wet kit. Let's go ahead and get started. Body and paint's in excellent condition. It's a Southern truck, so there's no rust anywhere. Right there on the fender, some rock dings. That's really about the only thing to pick apart cosmetically on this one. It's got a pinnable fifth wheel, wet kit. All aluminum wheels. Excellent brakes and rubber. Got air track suspension as well. Tanks and steps are all in really good shape. Interior is nice and clean. Your wet kit tower, floor's in good shape. Dash looks nice. No warnings on the dash. Now that shows 435, but that's had a cluster change. It is 850. The hours are correct to 22,000 overall. But like I said, this one has been into since it was originally built. Not quite up to operating temp, but you can see the low sidewall pressure is phenomenal. Super smooth through the RPMs. Oil pressure climbs. Really good look for Detroit. Guys, I appreciate you watching. If you got questions on this one or any other truck, feel free to give me a call, 901-896-4526. You can also email me to joey@truckmarket.com. Thanks for watching.